Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums in the ring for a battle royale. On the left, we have the sleek and stealthy eufy RoboVac 11S Max. And on the right, the tech-savvy iRobot Roomba 692. Let's see which one sucks, in a good way. First up, let's talk about the price. Eufy RoboVac 11S Max will set you back $249. Meanwhile, the Roomba 692 is a tad pricier at $269. So if you're already broke from buying avocado toast, Eufy might be your new BFF. Design-wise, eufy is the supermodel of vacuums with its slim 2.85-inch profile. It's like the ninja of cleaning, quiet and sleek. On the other hand, Roomba 692 looks like it's been hitting the gym with its robust build. But hey, it's not just about looks, right? Or is it? You decide. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty cleaning performance. Eufy has Boost IQ technology, which sounds like it's on steroids. It automatically cranks up the suction power when it senses dirt. Roomba, however, has a 3-stage cleaning system and dirt detect sensors to tackle those high-traffic areas. It's like having a personal maid with a PhD in dirtology. Reviewers praise the Eufy for its strong suction and quiet operation, while Roomba users love its effective pet hair collection and high-traffic area detection. Battery life is crucial because you don't want your vacuum passing out mid-clean. Eufy can run for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, while Roomba taps out at 90 minutes. So, if you have a mansion or just a lot of mess, Eufy's got the stamina of an Olympic marathoner. Reviews for Eufy highlight its long-lasting battery, whereas Roomba's battery life is seen as decent, but not exceptional. Both of these little guys are pretty smart. Eufy has anti-scratch tempered glass, infrared sensors for obstacle evasion, and drop sensing tech. Roomba, on the other hand, has adaptive navigation and cliff detection, so it won't take a nosedive down your stairs. It's basically the Indiana Jones of vacuums. Users appreciate Eufy's ability to avoid obstacles and fit under furniture, while Roomba is praised for its robust navigation and stair detection. Roomba 692 takes the cake in the smart features department. You can schedule cleanings via the iRobot Home app or just yell at Alexa or Google to get it going. Eufy, while not as tech-savvy, does come with a remote control. So it's like comparing a millennial to a boomer. Both get the job done, but one's a bit more high-tech. Reviewers love Roomba's app integration and voice control, whereas Eufy is appreciated for its simplicity and ease of use. Lastly, let's talk extras. Eufy comes with a remote control, charging base, cleaning tool, and a 12-month warranty. Roomba, not to be outdone, automatically recharges itself and adjusts its cleaning head for different floor types. It's like having a vacuum that's also a butler. Reviews mention Eufy's useful accessories and Roomba's self-charging feature and adaptability to different floors. Summing it up, Eufy RoboVac 11S Max is praised for its quiet operation, strong suction, and affordability, though some users note it can get stuck on cords and scatter rugs. On the other hand, iRobot Roomba 692 is lauded for its effective pet hair collection, smart features, and robust navigation, but some users find it noisy and occasionally stuck under furniture. So who's the winner? That's up to you. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, sleek, and quiet performer, Eufy's your guy. But if you want a tech-savvy, voice-activated dirt destroyer, Roomba's got your back. Either way, your floors will be so clean you could eat off them. Though we don't recommend it. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below on which vacuum you think takes the crown and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep cleaning smart.